Hi, welcome to my channel Divination 777. Right now I'm going to do a reading for our lovely Librans. So just wanted to tell you, just keep in mind these are general readings, so it may not resonate with everyone. So let's see what do we have for our lovely Librans. That's beautiful. Few more cards. Few more cards. So, Librans, what I have for you here is it could be a love situation, marriage, or career, finances, your job situation. I'm getting for some of you, it could even be like studying, like you're a student or something. So, just take it as it resonates. So basically, what I'm getting here, this is like the past. So this is not a current energy. This is like in the past. It could be your current energy, but what I see is lot of sorrow, lot of I'm feeling a lot of pain, sadness, despair. Like you guys were in a lot of pain, and it wasn't like you felt pain sometimes, then you kind of got out of it or relieved yourself, and it's like, just few minutes of feeling of sadness, then you're over. It wasn't like the mood swings, it was like serious pain. It burned your energy. It used to like suck the energy out of you, like not just mentally, even physically also. It was, you were like emotionally drained. So there was a thing that was let me just find out what has been draining you. It could be any situation, but just let me get clarity. Yes, like I said, you were tensed and stressed about a situation. Okay, so I get this is for a lot of you, most of you actually. This is not a, I'm not getting like a love situation or something. This is more of a career related situation. So you guys have been working on something for a long time, 4 weeks, 4 months. So basically, you have been working hard on something a lot. You could be a painter, musician, uh, maybe a fitness person, related health, or any kind of creative industry, or you could have your channels. Some platforms on social media, so you have been working on it, and putting a lot of creative ideas, and you felt stuck, and you weren't seeing, see, like you are a star. So you are a star, so that is why I'm saying you could have your own platforms, or you could be recognized with a lot of people, or you could be any public figure. So you were putting in a lot of ideas and creativity and a lot of work, and you weren't getting the results that you expected. That is why you were in your head and stuck. What am I supposed to do? What more can I do to get this? And you were stuck in that situation. You have been stuck in that situation for quite a while, but one day you just decided ki, okay, I am just you just let go of the pain. You walked away from the pain and the stuck feeling, and you were like, you know what, just F it. I am going to keep putting in work, and we'll see what happens. I'm not going to give up. Basically, that's the attitude you have. Like, whether it be in any area, that is the kind of attitude you have. Like, just F everything. I'm going to give it my all, and we'll see what happens, instead of getting anxious about the future. So that's what you chose to do, which is actually restoring and bringing harmony and abundance, not just in your career, in your family life as well. So, and because you chose to be in such a high vibration, I am feeling this vibrant energy. It's so amazing. You chose to be this way. You just chose to be, oh, I am not going to give up, and you kept on working. And like you say, you keep on working hard, you will get the result. And because you have been working hard, you are being blessed by an angel. You are being blessed for your hard work. You are going to reap the rewards of your hard work, and you are going to reap your rewards of the hard work this week. And those rewards, those blessings are not going to stop. And I'm going to strongly, it could be like a harmony in you could be restoring harmony in family and all, but this is just a strong career reading for me. This is like strong career reading. Let's just get few messages for you. Yes, since you chose not to be in the victim mode, since you chose to be in your power, you are now in alignment with the universe, and you could have been seeing a lot of angel numbers. You are in synchronization with the universe, and because you did not give up and you went ahead, so that is why now you are being blessed. And you will be given, okay, a lot of you could be helping people. Like, you could be helping people through some way. You could be a healer, spiritual worker, light worker, doctor, nurse, or in fitness industry somehow. Basically just helping people somehow. And now the universe is blessing you for all your hard work and fulfilling your dreams. Go ahead, we got your back. You are capable. Some of you, because you hadn't been seeing the let's say hadn't been seeing results, so you were like, you had started doubting yourself, whether I am doing the correct thing. Should I change my ways? Don't. What you are doing, you're going to get blessing of that. You are capable. Go ahead with what you're doing. Universe has got your back, and they are going to bless you for your hard work this week. We have so, and you're going to have a lot of gratitude. So let me just get guidance from this deck as well. Angels are telling me to bring out guidance from this deck. So what guidance we have for our Librans? It's just beautiful. It's just a beautiful energy. What guidance do we have for our Librans? Cards are flying out everywhere. Okay. So we have friendship card over here. So basically nurture your relationships, like with your family, with your loved ones, maybe your partner or your parents, your siblings, your friends. Just nurture your relationship, and just do that this week. And I think nurturing is like one of the best things you do, and I think you already do nurture people, because you are involved in helping people. Like I said, you could be a light worker, spiritual advisor, doctor, nurse, or involved in health industry somehow. So you're already helping people. So keep nurturing people, and just go ahead, keep doing that, and you are gonna get the rewards of that this week. And it won't stop. It would just keep flowing as long as you keep nurturing. what you need to do, memories. Cherish the memories of loved ones. Whenever you go into this doubt mode, like when you feel stuck, just remember your childhood memories, your good memories, and that will uplift you and it will help you maintain your high vibration, not give up vibration that you are in right now. So that is going to help you maintain that, and as long as it is maintains, you will have celebrations. So celebrations, abundance, basically you have put in a lot of work, time for harvest. So this is beautiful reading for you, Librans, and very excited for this. So what this is what I have for our lovely Librans. So please like, share, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell icon so that you know whenever my readings get uploaded. And if you want a personal reading from me, you can contact me through my mail ID. You can DM me on my Instagram, and you can follow me on my Instagram. I put daily guidances over there. All the details will be given in the description box down below. So this is a great reading, Libras. Love, light, and abundance to you. Stay safe, stay happy, stay healthy.